Hi, I'm Christian Shearer. I'm CEO and co-founder of Regen Network, and this is the 3-minute overview of Regen Network in a single take. I've been working in ecological agriculture for the past 15 years. A lot of that time spent in Southeast Asia working with smallholder farmers. And more recently, I've had the opportunity to work with farmers here right in the United States. And the more that I work with farmers and understand what they're going through, the more I realize that agriculture is potentially the most important intervention node in terms of shifting some of the most challenging problems facing this planet. The United Nations says that if we don't shift the way we practice agriculture, we're going to literally run out of topsoil in the next 57 years. That's a big deal. We need to solve that now. Farmers are seeing the same thing on their own pieces of property. They're watching their soil get worse and worse year after year. They're watching their margins get squeezed and their profits come down. And brands and other industry players are looking for meaningful ways to engage in environmental impact. Regen Network brings these all together. We're building a platform for ecological agreements wherein real environmental impact is at the center of those agreements. This is a great time to be working on this for a number of reasons. The environmental crisis is finally being acknowledged by the international community, and consumer demand for environmentally friendly products is at an all-time high. Technology has advanced so much in the last 10 years that it makes this possible in a way that wasn't possible before. I'm talking about sensors that we can install into the soil, water, and air. I'm talking about AI and machine learning and what it's done for the industry over the last 5 years and how it will continue to change it. I'm talking about satellite imagery and remote sensing, the way that we can understand the dynamics of the ecological systems from space for very low cost. I'm talking about blockchain technology and the trust and transparency that that brings to a project like this. So how exactly does Regen Network work? We're a platform that brings together brands and farmers into ecological agreements, whereby at the center of those agreements, there's a protocol that calls out the type of data that's needed and the verification requirements therein. I've been talking about brands this whole time because those are our early adopters, and that's where our company has a lot of social capital. But really where this gets interesting is when we look at the use cases of banking and mitigating risk, the use case of insurance and mitigating climate change, and the 195 governments around the world that have ratified the Paris Climate Accord and committed to huge ecological improvements. We're already acting on this. We're running a set of pilots with a number of known actors. We've got partnerships in the research and development world and lots of following online. The reason I'm so confident is because of our team. Gregory Landway and I founded this organization and surrounded ourselves with incredible people. We have the technical skills, the product development skills, and the science background to make this happen. I'm pouring my life into this project because I honestly believe it can have huge impact. Thanks a lot.